Sri Anup Dev Sharma and my dear brother Rundrashish to sing a song on this auspicious occasion of Foundation Day of our favorite Shamrock Floret School. It's a matter of pride when we are known through our kids. I am mother of Devansha Nandani Malpani, who are students of Shamrock Floret, which has completed its glorious 5 years of success. In fact, 5 glorious years of service to society. Shamrock Floret is a renowned name today in the heart of Dinhata. And I am really grateful to our respected principal ma'am and her team for they are taking a very good care of the holistic development of each and every child of their school. And now coming back to the song, today the song we are going to present is a bounce back. We shall overcome. We have chosen this song as such songs inculcates the values of tolerance, perseverance, non-violence, peace, love in the little hearts, in the little minds of the kids who are actually a small sapling of the garden named school. And today our beautiful world, colorful world is blanketed by the dark clouds of sorrow, of hatred, war, agony, distress, jealousy all around. But there is always a chance to fight back, to regain the variety essence of humanism. And this song teaches us the same. I know all of us had sung, listened, heard and lived this song someday. And so it's my humble request to all of you, please join us with your sweet and loud voice. Let us sing together and let us begin. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. যে কোনো বিষয়কে যদি মাতৃভাষার মধ্যে দিয়ে বলে নেওয়া যায়, সেটি আমাদের অন্তরকে আরো বেশি স্পর্শ করে। এজন্য প্লিজ পে ইওর কাইন্ড অ্যাটেনশন, আমরা একসাথে বাংলা ভাষায় এই লাইনসগুলো আবার করে নেব। আমরা করব জয়, আমরা করব জয়, আমরা করব জয় নিশ্চয়। বুকের গভীর আছে প্রত্যয়, আমরা করব জয় নিশ্চয়। अब মাটি মানুষের মা। এই মাটিতে, এই পৃথিবীতে যেন প্রত্যেকটি ব্যক্তি, প্রত্যেকটি প্রাণী ইনফ্যাক্ট যেন স্বাচ্ছন্দ্যে বিচরণ করতে পারে। এই ফিলিংস আমরা রেডিয়েট করব একসাথে এই গানটা করে।